Guys, welcome to King's RC. This is James's rig. James, what rig is this in here?
TF2.
So it's a TF2. That's all stock.
No, it's boom racing, chassis rails.
Boom racing.
Everything else is stock.
Sweet. Hard body. How big are these wheels?
They're a 1.9 rim, but who knows how big the tyre is? They're tiny.
Let's see the inside. I want to show the your engineering here. Look at that. That's killer. So that's oh, that doesn't look like 3D printed.
No, it's just styrene.
Styrene, you just screwed it all together.
Yeah.
Killer.
Some glue.
What about that box?
That's 3D printed.
Sweet.
I printed that on my printer.
And you got 2-speed?
Yep, 2-speed.
Brushed?
Brushed.
What motor? RGT?
Yeah, it's just a cheap RGT out of something I had laying around.
Yeah, Power HD servo there, 20 kilo.
1060.
That's killer, man. All right, let's see how she goes. So it's literally just pinned on there.
Yep. Just a couple of grub screws. That's
That's,
the original mounting holes.
that's full cowboy, man. See how it goes.
Yeah, so the low speed, eh?
What controller is that?
It's just the Spectrum DX4.
DX4.
Yes. Had it laying around for a while.
So this is low speed. All right, walking speed. Pretty loud.
Yeah, it's really whiny.
Let's go second. Whoa! Damn, it just transforms, eh? Still got plenty of torque. Nice.
Might need some more speed. It's going to go slow.
front diff's hitting it.
Walked up at them. Hang up. You need to go back and go on the angle.
Diff's gone. Nah, diff's gone.